Okay, so let's take a look now at some polynomials where you have x to the second power, x to the first power, and a constant term. That's what a polynomial is. Okay, so the question says how to find the sum of these two polynomials here. Are you going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide them? Okay, remember sum is an answer to a addition problem, so we're going to add up these two polynomials here. Add them up. Okay, so I'm just going to rewrite those guys vertically. X squared plus 3x minus 4 and 2x squared minus 5x plus 5. Okay, so we can add them up like we do regular numbers. Here we have x squared plus 2x squared. You get 3x squared. You assume there's a 1 here out front. Okay, 3x minus 5x. You get negative 2x. Negative 4 plus 5 is positive 1. And there it is. Okay? Don't make it hard. Where we add, we're going to subtract polynomials, so let's look at it real quick. How to subtract. Polynomials. Like if you have 6x squared minus 5x plus 10, for example, how would you subtract these two guys here? Minus 3 equals 5. Okay, so let's first get rid of the parentheses. We can do that by, here I'm just going to rewrite this for you. 6x squared minus 5x plus 10, just rewriting it over here. And now I'm going to assume that there's a 1 out front, even though we don't see it. This will help us when trying to get rid of the parentheses here. 4x squared minus 3. Because we're going to distribute here. You can take negative 1 times 4x squared and then negative 1 times negative 3. Okay, so when we distribute, we multiply. Okay, so simply put, we can say that we have 6x squared minus 5x plus 10. Okay, now be careful here. Take 1 times 4x squared is 4x squared. Negative times positive is negative. Okay, take 1 times 3 to get 3. Negative times negative is positive. Okay, feeling better? Let's combine like terms. We have 6x squared minus 4x squared. Okay, you have plus 10 and plus 3 is the constant terms. So let's combine the like terms here. The so-called like terms. Think of combining apples with apples, oranges with oranges. Okay, so 6x squared minus 4x squared is 2x squared. There's nothing to combine with the x term here, so we'll just leave it at negative 5x. 10 plus 3 is 13. And there it is. Okay. Let's look at one more example where we're subtracting polynomials. This board is getting more difficult to erase here. Probably need some water later. Okay. So, let's say you're given A equals 3x squared plus 7x plus 20. B equals x squared plus 4x plus 15. What is A minus B? Okay. We're going to subtract. Right? So let's take these two guys here. I'm just going to rewrite it on the right side here for you. Plus 7x plus 20, x squared plus 4x plus 15. Okay? Straight up subtract. 3x squared minus 1x squared, we have 2x squared. 7x minus 4x is 3x. 20 minus 15 is 5. There it is.